How to sign in or log in into Costco ESS employee portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Costco ESS employee portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, search for Costco ESS employee account. After searching for that, here you'll find the website by Costco. Tap on this website and it'll take you to the costco.com/employee-website.html. After you'll find an option that says employee self-service, and from here you'll need to choose either of this. So if you're a current employee, tap on this option. If you're a former employee, tap on this one. I'll just tap on current one and it will redirect me to another page. From here, I can simply log in into my account. So here you can see I'll just have to type in my username, whatever it is, and then a password. Make sure that the credentials are correct and then tap on sign in to log in into the account. And that's basically it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye, take care.